We live in three dimensions: length, width, and height. We navigate through a fourth dimension, time. But what if there are more dimensions, hidden from our senses, curled up in ways we can't even imagine? String theory suggests not just a fifth or sixth dimension, but a staggering 11 dimensions. And here's the mind bending question: what if we could access the 11th dimension? This concept could change everything we know about reality. Let's break it down. The first dimension is a simple line. The second dimension adds height, creating a flat surface. The third dimension gives us depth, the physical world we inhabit. The fourth dimension is time, allowing us to move through space. But physics doesn't stop there. String theory posits that the universe may have 10 spatial dimensions plus one time dimension, totaling 11. Most of these extra dimensions are compactified, curled up so small that we can't perceive them. Why do we believe these dimensions exist? To make string theory, our best attempt at unifying quantum mechanics and general relativity, mathematically consistent, the universe must exist in 10 or 11 dimensions. This leads us to M theory, a framework that unifies five different versions of string theory by introducing an 11th dimension. This extra dimension opens up a realm of possibilities, allowing for higher dimensional membranes, or brains, which might explain how universes come into existence. Now, imagine stepping into the 11th dimension. What could you experience? You might see all possible timelines at once, travel instantaneously across our universe, enter alternate realities, or even rewrite the fundamental laws of physics. To us, these ideas are unfathomable, much like a two-dimensional being trying to understand a three-dimensional world. Let's take this a step further. What if we could build a machine or evolve our brains to interact with the 11th dimension? The implications are staggering. You could manipulate gravity at will, unlock instant travel through hyperspace, view the entire multiverse, and perhaps even encounter other intelligent beings who have access to these higher dimensions. It would be akin to stepping outside of a simulation while still being part of it. Some speculative theories even suggest that consciousness might be linked to these higher dimensions. What if our thoughts, creativity, intuition, dreams are merely shadows of higher dimensional processes? While this remains unproven, it's a captivating idea that continues to intrigue physicists and philosophers alike. So, why haven't we discovered these dimensions yet? They might be compactified to scales as tiny as the Planck length, folded into complex shapes known as Calabi-Yau manifolds that are impossible to visualize, or hidden in realms that only extreme energy or gravity can reveal, like in the early universe or inside black holes. Yet, physicists are actively pursuing these mysteries through particle colliders, string theory mathematics, and cosmic background analysis. If we could access the 11th dimension, we might finally unify all the forces of nature, understand the true structure of the cosmos, prove or disprove the existence of a multiverse, and perhaps even control reality at its most fundamental level. This is the ultimate goal of physics, a theory of everything, and the 11th dimension could be the key to unlocking it. So, what if we could access the 11th dimension? We might uncover the secrets of space, time, life, and everything that lies beyond our current understanding. Until then, it remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in science.